Hi guys, welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. So, I'm going to go straight to the point. This is a tutorial on how to unblock or unlock any password protected Microsoft Excel file. I hope it's clear enough to understand. Enjoy. We begin by opening a password protected Excel file. I'm sure you have one at hand, if not you wouldn't be here. So just to demonstrate to you, I cannot edit parts of this file because it is password protected. As you can see, if I try to edit the cell on the sheet, I'll get this error saying the cell is protected, and if I want to make any changes, I have to unprotect the sheet with a password. So this is what we're going to do, how to go around this without having the password to the Excel file. And for your information, this is just for educational purposes only. It shouldn't be used for anything else. Let's begin. You first create a folder which I will name mine test and copy the protected Excel file to it. This is just so you can have a backup in case something goes wrong. Another important thing is to make sure in your folder options, hide extensions for known file types is unchecked. Please make sure of this because it's going to be important in our next step. Now, we'll rename the file extension to zip and proceed to say yes when the prompt appears. The file is now a zip file, and you can use whatever software you use in opening your zip files to open it. You can now go ahead and open the XL folder. You will see something like this, but we need to concentrate only on the worksheet folder. After you open it, you find XML files. Because the file I chose is 8 sheets, you will find 8 files. This could be less or more depending on the file you are using currently. I will create another folder which I will name new files and drag all my 8 XML sheets inside. These are all the files we'll be working on. We start by opening the first one. This should be done by using Notepad, and you should see something like this majority of the time. I know it can be confusing, but there is nothing to worry about. To make things easier to read, you can enable the word wrap. You should make sure though you don't delete anything unless the things I ask you to. All we have to do now is to find the word protect. In my first file, because the sheet is not locked, we couldn't find the word protect. So we close it and proceed to the second file. We try to search for the word again, and this time we are lucky and we found sheet protection. That is actually what we are looking for. What you should do now is to select from the beginning of the angled bracket to the end. Look at what I did carefully so you don't have to make a mistake. Make sure to save the file and move to the next one. As you might have already realized, this is what we'll be doing to all the files. And in all the deletion, don't forget to save the file after. We now have all our 8 files modified how we wanted. So we then open the worksheet folder from the zip again and delete the files in there. We can go ahead and replace it with the files we have modified. In the final step, we rename the file extension to what it used to be before, in my case, XLSM. And that is it. For the purpose of this video, I will show you that I can now fully make changes to the protected files because it's now no more protected. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. And also, if you have or run into any problem, the comment section is open and I'll gladly help you.